Hi guys, this is Chris from Detailers Roadmap. I'm going to walk you through on how to write a blog, add it, put in images real quick, as well as publish and kind of get that rolling. So first things first, you're going to have to log into your site. If you don't remember where your login is, you can just go to our site, which is go to contact button at the top, and then click this blue button right in the middle. It'll take you to this page. You're going to want to log in. And then once you kind of come in, you'll come into your dashboard. In this example, we're just looking at sharper image. You'll go ahead and click this edit button. When you click the edit button, it's going to open you up to this side section, which is blog. It'll go ahead and walk you through just a couple examples. I do recommend that you kind of just read about it. But for this moment, we're just going to skip this. So in this, you'll have blog settings, which we'll set up for you. You can also import posts, which you can read about how to do that through this if you have a blog somewhere else. But in this case, we're going to create first post. So we're going to click that. In this example, we're going to title it Creating My First Blog Post. You can always select no author or your name. And then we do recommend that you upload a image as well. So let's just say in the example, we're going to do this Challenger picture. And then you hit start. From there, it's going to take you to your blog post. And then obviously the title that we chose picked up here. And essentially this is it. So you have these kind of blocks of text. So these are subheadings. So this is subheading 1. And then you have large blocks of text. You can have no images. So if you want to just change an image, you just literally would come in here, click it, replace it, and drop in. If you want to upload more photos, you can hit replace and then click this button that says upload, and it'll pull up a piece there that'll let you show it. If you want more different options, there's this widget box. I'm not going to go through everything in the widget box by any stretch, but the main and common ones are up here in the popular tab. So if you want to drop in an image, let's go ahead and pile that in. And let's say I want to add maybe a video. You can just literally type up here, video. And let's say you want to link something from YouTube or something like that. You can just post that link in. So if I type in YouTube ceramic coating, Chicago auto pros. And I usually like to pull that shared link right there. And you can even do little adjustments like right clicking on anything. And let's say we want it sitting in the middle, and you can add more text blocks. And you could just essentially just keep typing. So that's kind of like the general overview of how to do it. If you don't want something there, you can right click and hit delete, or there's usually a red box that'll pull up on the top. For blogs, I'm not going to really go into too long of how much to do, but essentially you usually want to write authoritatively and a decent amount of content information. So we try and strive for at least minimum 300 to 500 words. When you're all set and done, you can just go ahead and click this button that says publish post. Let's say you're not done writing. Let's say you're not ready to optimize it or anything like that. If you just click done, it'll hold it in draft mode. And so you can even schedule the post here as well. So when you go to manage posts and you click this little cog wheel, you can schedule it for certain dates and times as well. Author, metadata, meta description. You can also create tags, and tags are searchable pieces down the road. So let's say it's ceramic coating. And so let's say you have 50 blogs in a year, a customer can come to your blog and actually choose ceramic coating tags and only show the blogs you've written about ceramic coating. But essentially when you're ready to go, all you do is you publish it. It publishes to the site. And then let's say, I'm sorry, if you publish, you have to publish the the blog itself, which is click this button here, and it's all set. So, and then you can always go back and check where we've installed it on your site. If you need to duplicate it or if you need to delete it, you can just simply delete from here and you're all set. There's nothing else beyond that. So that's just a quick rundown on how to operate a blog. Best of luck blogging. If you guys have any questions or need additional assistance on writing authoritative blogs, let us know. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.